straight put your knee in my back and my spine, and I told you I have a spine injury. You're big as you're putting your knee in my spine.
A routine Walmart shoplifting stop turned into a ground struggle, a disputed obstruction charge, and questions that reach across several different constitutional protections. This breakdown sets the play-by-play aside and moves straight into the law.
Can you please warn them then so we can check it? I saw you on the camera for the rest of the Nah, would you like police to get involved? Would you like police to get involved?
Okay, can I see the camera, please?
You need to work with us to get ATL now. Police is gonna get involved if you don't.
Don't grab me, Chase.
You're under arrest.
You guys don't have any
You're under
proof.
arrest.
You don't have
Put your hands
any
behind your
proof.
Ma'am,
Can you please let me go, please? Can you let me go, please, so I can do that? You didn't even give me a chance. You didn't even give me, sir. You didn't give me a chance.
Get many chances.
You did not. You won't even get off of me. How can I do that?
Put your hand behind your back.
Sir, can you please get my shoe on? You know what? This is funny that this is funny that get your elbow off of me. Get your elbow off of me. I'm just trying to get my shoe on. You don't have to be. You guys allowed him to do that to me as a woman, and somebody.
I brought some. Thanks.
one of them is.
Can you please get my shoe on, please? Thank you. Can you please put my shoe on? Put you over. And as soon as he sends you out, you can get your shoe off.
That was unnecessary.
No, it wasn't. Because you didn't have to do that to me. Thank you very much. I was not fighting you at all. Okay. You literally grabbed me and snatched me against the
Let's go ahead and put your...
and then you put your knee on my back, and I told you I have a spine injury.
Put your feet underneath.
I can't. I have a spine injury. You have to literally stand me up.
Yeah, with your legs.
I'm not able to do that. I'm telling you that.
You're an
asshole. You straight put your knee in my back and my spine, and I told you I have a spine injury. You're big as you're putting your knee in my spine.
And this is one. Are you
Can
injured at all?
someone help me, please?
Hey, are you injured at all?
Yeah, I would like to get checked out.
Yeah, they're on their way.
That's fine. Can you please help me get up?
I can't help you get up if you can't help me.
I need 2 people to stand me up, sir. You just put your knee in my spine. I have a spine injury.
Okay, are you able to actually assist me? Because I'm
How can I assist you? I don't have my hands.
No, use your legs to stand up.
I can't.
Okay, then I can't just lift you up. You're not fighting.
Asshole. You're not 5 pounds either. Your big ass got on the top of me.
Just wait, and I'll get another officer over here to help me.
No. You're detaining me and didn't even tell me what the reason was.
The shoplifts. They told me. So what are your injuries? It's just your back?
I told you what they are. I don't have to say nothing else to you.
Okay.
Can I make a phone call, please?
Nope.
And what are you arresting me for? What am I being arrested for?
Obstruction and theft third.
Theft third. Theft third is what? For what exactly? You don't even know what I stole.
It's shoplifting.
You don't even know what I stole. And furthermore, isn't there a limit for when you take people to jail?
It sounds like you're pretty familiar with this process.
You know what? Because I actually want to be a lawyer one day. Okay. That's why. That's why I'm familiar with something.
Well, future lawyer.
I don't have a record.
Future lawyer.
I don't have a record. I'm just somebody trying to make it in life. I'm like, you're fat ass.
Take it office.
Yeah, you want to go this side, Cordozo?
I need help. I have a spine injury.
Yeah.
So can you please be careful? He put his knee in my spine, and I told him I had a spine injury.
Sure. We can solve that problem by don't resist. Right?
I'm not resisting,
no,
sir.
you're not, but
I wasn't resisting in the first place, so don't tell me not to resist.
Okay, we're going to start off this way, all right?
Thank you.
There you go.
I appreciate that.
A couple more people these days. That's not how they...
I'm not self-entitled at all.
There's prosecutors.
Okay, that's fine. No, I'm not treated like everybody else. I'm a black woman in America.
Oh, please stop.
No.
The initial detention rests on the Fourth Amendment. Loss prevention directly observed the concealment and identified her to officers in real time. That identification gave officers probable cause to detain her and ultimately to arrest her for theft. This mirrors the framework in Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968, though the identification here quickly supported a full arrest rather than a brief stop. The takedown itself is judged under Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. Graham weighs three factors: the severity of the crime, any threat to officers, and whether the subject actively resisted or fled. Here the offense is a low-level theft with no weapon and no threat to officer safety anywhere in the footage. The entire analysis turns on the third factor, and it is genuinely disputed between the officer's account and the subject's. Most state force policies distinguish active resistance, physical action, meant to defeat control, from passive resistance, which is simply pulling back or arguing. That single disputed fact determines whether this takedown survives review under Graham.
You're black and you see this just throw me on the ground.
No, I didn't see anybody. Have a seat, please. Thank you.
I'm not talking to you, sir.
Oh, I don't care if you're not talking to me.
Thank
I'm talking to you.
I was talking to that lady.
She's not talking to you,
Yeah,
so.
okay.
She took underwear and shirts and she.
I did not take underwear. I paid for my underwear.
That's what I'm saying.
The one we
She
have
paid
on.
underwear and shirts and she concealed the shirt and paid for the underwear. That's what I was saying.
Rosa, was there anything else?
There's nothing else. It's just shirts, and you don't have.
Yes,
do
he
not
has
have
legal authority.
authorized to go
Stop.
through my. No,
Stop.
I did not authorize.
Exercise your right to remain silent then.
Listen, I
Yes.
did not authorize him to go through my.
You don't have to.
through
You're
my-
under arrest for
Okay,
shoplifting.
You know what? And I didn't authorize you, and you have the wrong ID.
Oh my God.
Sir,
No, nobody's gonna. We're gonna stop talking to you.
I can go.
That's
down
the wrong ID.
Yes.
sir, just why are you going to get all that stuff out of my purse? It's just a couple shirts. Don't go through my purse. You're not a. That's it. That's all I have. You don't have to go through my purse. Marijuana is legal. You can put that back in my purse. You have no right to go through the rest of my items.
You're gonna advise you of your rights, okay?
No, I'm not. He has. Why are you going through the rest of my purse?
Argue it in court. That's your legal right.
Okay, that's
All right,
fine. I
ma'am.
will do that.
All right, ma'am. I'm gonna advise you of your rights right now. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Listen, I will cooperate, but I don't like how he's going through my purse. There's nothing else in there for you to go through my purse. I would appreciate if you not went through the rest of my purse.
You're going to go to jail today.
For what?
For obstruction and theft third, okay?
No, listen.
Yeah.
I have every. You can
So
just
for that
take
reason,
your items back, but
I need
take
to
me
actually
jail
look
for
through
what?
this. I
Take
think-
me to jail. I don't have a record.
Well, you
Okay,
are,
and
you're
I
going to
apologize.
today.
I'm homeless. Okay,
Sorry.
I am homeless. I don't have any fucking where to go. Can you please put my stuff? Can I please go home? That's all I want to do is go home. Take me to jail. I'm homeless. Like I'm homeless. That's why I took a few shirts.
Where's home if you're homeless?
What do you mean? Where's home?
Said you're home, but you want to be taken home.
I went in my car.
Oh,
In my
okay.
car. That's
Gotcha.
where I belong. In my car.
Which car is yours outside?
Sir. So you're taking me to jail.
Yeah.
For what?
For obstruction, you fought me.
I did not fight you, sir. You
Yeah, I gave you a lawful order to stop.
No, sir. You literally put your knee in my back and
I'm not
then
gonna
you
argue
slammed
with
me
you.
against the. You're taking me to jail and you literally slammed me again. And you didn't even give me an opportunity.
Yes, I did. I gave
No,
you
you did not.
Okay.
So taking me to jail for what?
Shoplifting is called theft. It's a crime.
Understand? Okay. I understand that, but take me to jail for. Why do I have to go to jail? Why can't I
You
be seen
committed
in
a
the
crime.
court?
Again, see, there's that self-entitled thing. Anybody who commits a
I'm
crime
not
can
trying
be taken
to
to jail.
sir. I've
But I'm
never
telling you, if
been
you
in
committed a
trouble with
crime,
the law. I don't
well,
know.
you are today. You shouldn't have committed shoplifting
Can I please make a phone call?
at the jail.
Can I please?
Yes, at the jail you can. You have a right to at the jail.
You're an asshole.
That'll probably help you in court. You should keep talking.
Sir, listen, I'm already in trouble for whatever this is. He literally put his knee in my
Don't
spine.
resist.
No, I wasn't resisting. I was not
Don't resist.
resisting.
Well, I can tell by your attitude from the moment I met you that it's probably more plausible that you were resisting and
No, I
arguing.
was not, sir. He literally slammed me against the door.
Okay, well, like I told you before, then just argue it in court.
Okay. Those are all my cards. So why do you
Is
have
there
to go
something
through-
that you're worried that I'm going to find?
No, I'm not.
You
But
really don't want me to
there-
keep searching.
because this is my belongings.
All right.
I don't need you to go through my
Well,
pockets.
you're under
sir.
arrest, so yeah, you have to be searched. Incident to arrest.
Can you please answer that, please, so I can talk to him?
Nope, you're under arrest. You don't get a phone call. Officer Cardozo, if you'd like to do a search incident to arrest on this gal. So I'm going to explain to you real quick. He's going to stand you up and he's going to search your person per law. So he'll have you stand up. He's going to search your pockets. You have anything else that you shouldn't have on you?
The purse search raises a separate Fourth Amendment question. Under Chimmel versus California, and later United States versus Robinson, a lawful custodial arrest permits a full search of the arrestee's person and belongings. No warrant and no consent is required once that arrest is lawful. Her objection to the search, however emphatic, does not change that outcome. The theft charge maps to a statute covering theft in the third degree for property under $750, a gross misdemeanor. The obstruction charge covers willful hindrance of an officer's official duties, also typically a gross misdemeanor. Courts have consistently held that verbal argument alone does not satisfy that standard. Some physical act of hindrance is required. That means the obstruction charge rises or falls on the physical struggle itself, not on anything said afterward.
Do you? Perfect. I like the way you responded. He's just doing the search real quick, and then just one second. Sorry. Yeah. Do you have our ID?
Okay. Do you want me to? Or you want to do it in the hospital today?
Sir, I want to go home. I want to go sleep in my car.
The Miranda warning arrives well after significant on-scene questioning had already occurred. This does not affect the legality of the arrest, but it raises an admissibility question for anything said before that warning. Under Edwards versus Arizona, statements taken after a suspect invokes counsel cannot be used, though no such request appears in this record. The subject also raises a claim of differential treatment based on race. The footage offers no comparator to test that claim, so it stands as her stated perception, not a confirmed finding. Grading follows. The arresting officer receives a C+. Probable cause was solid, and the medical response was prompt once an injury was claimed. The takedown and the delayed rights advisement are the two costs against that grade. The subject receives a B-. Her verbal objections carried no legal risk on their own. The physical resistance already described is what carries the obstruction exposure. Two pieces of practical advice come out of this case. For officers, reserve a ground takedown for genuine active resistance and deliver the Miranda warning as soon as custodial questioning begins, not after it. For anyone being detained, comply physically, even while objecting verbally, and ask directly for an attorney rather than arguing the stop's legality in the moment. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.